Outlook HR Solutions, your recruitment partner. For information related to HR management, jobs, and interviews, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, and select all.
Hello everyone, this is Prajakta from Outlook HR Solutions. So in this video, I'm going to share the next set of 25 words with their meanings in 3 languages, that is Hindi, Urdu and Telugu apart from English language, and their usage in sentences. Okay. So each word is divided into 2 parts with the help of apostrophe symbol. We need to stress on the word before the apostrophe for correct pronunciation. So here are the next set of 25 words. First word is afresh. Once more, again, anew. afresh को हम हिंदी में फिर से कहते हैं, उर्दू में दोबारा, तेलुगु में पुनः. For example, after the failure, they decided to start afresh with a new approach. Next word is agenda. A list or plan of items to be discussed or acted upon at a meeting or event. एजेंडा को हम हिंदी में कार्यसूची कहते हैं, उर्दू में एजेंडा, मुद्दा, तेलुगु में कार्यादि. For example, the manager distributed the agenda for the upcoming team meeting. Next word is aggravate. To make a situation worse or more serious, to intensify or irritate. Aggravate को हम हिंदी में बिगाड़ना कहते हैं, उर्दू में हमलावर होना, तेलुगु में उग्रम चेयडानी की. For example, his constant complaints only served to aggravate the already tense atmosphere. Next word is aggregate. The total or sum of various elements to gather into a mass or whole. Aggregate को हम हिंदी में समुदाय कहते हैं, उर्दू में जमा, तेलुगु में ओके सारी. For example, the aggregate revenue for the quarter exceeded the company's expectations. Next word is aggressive. Ready to attack or confront, characterized by resulting or from aggression. Aggressive को हम हिंदी में प्रवृत्तिशील कहते हैं, उर्दू में हमले का इरादा करना, तेलुगु में आक्रामकता. For example, the team adopted an aggressive strategy to win the championship. Next word is agile. Able to move quickly and easily, nimble and active. Agile को हम हिंदी में चुस्त कहते हैं, उर्दू में चुस्त, तेलुगु में विकलांगी. For example, cats are known for their agile movements, especially when chasing prey. Next word is agitate. To stir up or disturb. To campaign for a cause. To shake, move briskly. Agitate को हम हिंदी में उत्तेजित करना कहते हैं, उर्दू में एहतजाज करना, तेलुगु में कलंकिंचु. For example, the protesters gathered to agitate for environmental conservation. Next word is agony. Intense physical or mental suffering, extreme pain or distress. Agony को हम हिंदी में व्यथा कहते हैं, उर्दू में अजियत, तेलुगु में कष्टम. For example, the patient endured agonizing pain before the pain relief medication took effect. Next word is aid. Help, support or assistance. To provide assistance or support. Aid को हम हिंदी में सहारा कहते हैं, उर्दू में मदद, तेलुगु में सहायम. For example, the government sent aid to the disaster-stricken region. Next word is ailment. A minor illness or physical disorder. A complaint. Ailment को हम हिंदी में बीमारी कहते हैं, उर्दू में एब, तेलुगु में नोई. For example, the herbal remedy was recommended for common ailments like colds and coughs. Next word is aisle. A passage between rows or seats in a building such as church or theatre. A passage between shelves in a supermarket. aisle को हम हिंदी में गलियारा कहते हैं, उर्दू में तंग रास्ता गली, तेलुगु में मध्यदारी. For example, the bride walked down the aisle of the church accompanied by her father. Next word is alarming, causing fear or worry. causing concern or distress. अलार्मिंग को हम हिंदी में चिंताजनक कहते हैं. उर्दू में चौंकाने वाला, तेलुगु में हेच्चरिंचू. For example, the sudden increase in pollution levels was alarming for the residents. Next word is alert. Watchful and ready for possible danger or opportunity. A warning signal. अलर्ट को हम हिंदी में चौंकना कहते हैं. उर्दू में होशियार, तेलुगु में हेच्चरिका. For example, the security guard remained alert throughout the night shift. Next word is alias. An assumed name, a false or alternative identity. alias को हम हिंदी में उपनाम कहते हैं. उर्दू में उर्फियत, नामी, तेलुगु में इतर पेरू. For example, the undercover agent operated under the alias John Smith to maintain anonymity. Next word is alienate. To cause someone to feel isolated or estranged. To turn away or distance. alienate को हम हिंदी में दूर करना कहते हैं. उर्दू में दूर करना, तेलुगु में प्रत्येकिंचु. For example, constant criticism can alienate individuals and damage relationships. Next word is align. To arrange or position in a straight line. To bring into proper coordination or agreement. Align को हम हिंदी में संरेखित करना कहते हैं. उर्दू में मुताहिद करना, तेलुगु में समलेखनम. For example, the team needed to align their efforts to achieve the project goals. Next word is alive. Living, not dead. Full of life or energy. Alive को हम हिंदी में जीवित कहते हैं. उर्दू में जिंदा, तेलुगु में जीवंतमयना. For example, the rescue team found the lost hiker and he was alive and well. Next word is allegation. A claim or assertion that someone has done something illegal or wrong, typically without proof. एलिगेशन को हम हिंदी में आरोप कहते हैं. उर्दू में इल्ज़ाम, तेलुगु में अर्पणा. For example, the newspaper published an allegation of corruption against the public official. Next word is allege. To assert without proof. To state as a fact but without offering evidence. allege को हम हिंदी में आरोप लगाना कहते हैं. उर्दू में इल्ज़ाम लगाना, तेलुगु में दोषपरुचु. For example, the witness continued to allege that he had seen the crime unfold. Next word is alliance. A union or association formed for mutual benefit, especially between countries or organizations. Alliance को हम हिंदी में संधि कहते हैं. उर्दू में इत्तेहाद, तेलुगु में समालोचना. For example, the trade alliance aimed to promote economic cooperation among member nations. Next word is allocate. To distribute or assign for a particular purpose. To set aside. Allocate को हम हिंदी में आवंटित करना कहते हैं. उर्दू में बांटना, तेलुगु में कुंतकाटु चेयु. For example, the budget committee needed to allocate funds for various departmental projects. Next word is allure. Highly attractive or tempting. Captivating in a charming or fascinating way. Allure को हम हिंदी में मोहक कहते हैं. उर्दू में पुरकशिश, तेलुगु में आकर्षणमयना. For example, the mysterious aura of the old castle was alluring to those who passed by. Next word is alma mater. The school, college or university that one attended. alma mater को हम हिंदी में शिक्षण स्थान कहते हैं. उर्दू में तालीमी इदारा, तेलुगु में alma mater. For example, at the reunion, alumni fondly remembered their alma mater and the memories they shared. Next word is almighty. Having complete and unlimited power, often used as a title or attribute of God. Almighty को हम हिंदी में सर्वशक्तिमान कहते हैं. उर्दू में कादिर-ए-मुतलक, तेलुगु में सर्वशक्ति. For example, people gathered in prayer, seeking guidance from the Almighty during challenging times. Next word is aloof, distant or reserved in manner, not friendly or involved with others. आलूफ को हम हिंदी में अलग कहते हैं, उर्दू में अलग, तेलुगु में दूरंगा. For example, despite attending the party, he remained aloof and didn't interact much with the guests. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.